guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So I've shown you my top 5 perfumes, my top 5 lipsticks, etc, etc. But today I'm going to show you my top 3 makeup remover. This is really important in your beauty kit because you have to remove your makeup before going to bed, and so I'm going to show you these 3 picks, and these are really good for your skin, from oily skin to dry skin, whatever skin type you have. This will really get rid of all your makeup, and it's really useful. So this is my first pick, and it's my all-time favorite Nivea Refreshing Cleansing Milk. This is for normal skin. This really works for me. It's like cream based, and it removes my makeup, but also it moisturizes my skin as well. It doesn't make it really dry. So this is my first pick. So you all should definitely try this one. So guys, my second pick is for people who have extremely sensitive skin. This is the Bioderma makeup remover, and this is slightly expensive. So this retails for about 660 rupees for this much bottle. But trust me guys, if you have really sensitive skin, this is very good. It removes your makeup and doesn't dry out your skin completely. So this is, a lot of doctors also recommend this. And if you're somebody who applies makeup every day, and you want to get rid of that crazy makeup, you all should try this one. The third one is really trending right now. It is the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water, and this is good for sensitive skin again. If you have normal skin, dry skin or sensitive skin, this is really good. Really removes your makeup very, very well. So guys, these were my top 3 picks, best makeup removers. That's what I feel. If you know any other makeup removers, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll put the link down below. And like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.